Before this traffic stop is over, a routine stop sign violation is going to turn into an arrest and a tense confrontation at the side of the road. The officer says the driver ran a stop sign while holding a phone and coffee, and there is another major issue. Her license is reportedly suspended. But the real turning point comes when the officer asks her to step out of the vehicle, and she refuses. Watch closely, because from this point forward, every decision starts raising the stakes. Was this just a misunderstanding? Or was the situation about to become much more serious?
You're being placed under arrest, and you need to step outside of the vehicle.
Not happening.
On July 10th, 2024, an officer pulled over a vehicle for running a stop sign.
How's it going? I'm Officer Strong, the Orlando Police Department. Do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
Is it safe to get it?
Yep. And the registration and proof of insurance?
It's a rental stop.
It's a rental. How long have you had the rental for? Do you mind hanging up while we're... I'm sorry? I can't hear you.
I said I'm not hanging up my phone, and it's a rental, and I've had it for about a week.
Okay. The reason I'm pulling you over is you ran the stop sign back there at Livingston and Broadway, and you're talking on your phone and had coffee in the other hand.
I definitely didn't run a stop sign. I would never run a stop sign.
Well, you did. And
so I can't be online.
You cannot be holding your phone, and you cannot be holding coffee in another hand. You need to be paying attention to driving.
I'm not driving. I'll just take the ticket and go. This is not.
Okay, I'm just letting you know.
Vibes aren't well, and I'm pretty sure it's not.
You're in a residential. It is when you're not paying attention. You're running a stop sign. You got a phone in one hand and a coffee in the other, and you're in a residential neighborhood. So okay, I guess we just don't care about safety. Stay there, please.
The officer would return to his car to write up the ticket.
Before it's in suspensions and a speed tag order without notice.
Delta 25 out from the next one.
I think I'm in a 1015er.
What?
Willis? She's gonna be 1015.
They're doing a criminal site?
What's that?
A criminal site?
No, she's gonna go. She's been suspended twice. She blows a stop sign back here, phone in one hand, coffee in the other. I pull over, still yakking on the phone, still has coffee in her hand, and then starts giving me a bunch of attitude. And her license isn't even good for a TK. But so, like, she clearly just
doesn't, and I-4 on ramp
doesn't care. All right, we're gonna have her come step out, sign those.
This is the moment the entire encounter changes direction. Up to this point, we're watching a traffic stop involving alleged traffic violations and a suspended license. Now the officer is asking the driver to step outside the vehicle, and she repeatedly refuses. The officer explains that she is being ordered out and tells her she is under arrest for driving with a suspended license. At this stage, the disagreement is no longer simply about whether she ran the stop sign. It has become a compliance issue during an arrest. Notice how both sides continue talking over the situation. Do you think the driver should have simply stepped out at this point? Or do you understand why she was challenging the order?
Hello. He's going to have you step out so you can sign for these.
I'm not getting out.
You're not getting out?
No, he can bring it right here. Officer Sayer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the problem?
I don't know what the problem is, but this officer is asking you to step out.
No, I know better than to get out of my car.
And according to Florida State statute, if we ask you to get out of the vehicle, unfortunately, you have to get out.
I can sign right here. I'm not going to get out.
You need to step out of the vehicle.
I'm not going to get out. So
Well,
we can move to the next.
Here's the deal. You're being placed under arrest. and you need to step outside of the vehicle.
Not happy.
You need to step out of the vehicle or I'm going to take you out by busting this window.
I'll pop the other one.
You can step out or we're going to take you out. You are under arrest for driving with a suspended license. Step out of the vehicle. This is not going to end well for you. You need to step out of the vehicle.
The door unlocked?
No. You need to step out of the vehicle or I'm going to bust this window.
Just open the door, man. Just open the door, man.
Do you have a punch?
You want me to pop it?
Open the vehicle now. You have no more chances. Open the vehicle and step out.
Can't hear you, so just open the door.
Open the vehicle and step out.
What is your name?
Or I am going to pull you out of this vehicle. Do you understand me?
Are making me feel very threatened.
You are dictating how this goes. You are under arrest. You need to step out of the vehicle and put your hands behind your back.
You started this.
Yes, I pulled you over. You need to step out of the vehicle. Okay, step out of the vehicle right now.
Yeah, but this one 24 what's there?
I'm not moving.
Step out. Come on.
I can't have no interaction with him. I can have
Step
one
out
with
of the
you.
vehicle.
I can
You are
have one
under
with you.
arrest.
I can't have one with you.
You're now under arrest. Step out of the vehicle.
Or you.
Get out of the vehicle,
No.
man.
You have to get out of the car, man.
Yeah, but not like this.
Okay, just
Get
get
out
out.
But
of
not
the
like
vehicle
this. But not like this.
Ma'am, get out of the car.
No.
You have to.
Why?
You're under arrest.
For?
Drive with a suspended license.
You gonna hit me?
Are you gonna hit me?
Get out of the car.
Get
No.
out of the car. Go on.
This is where the tension reaches another level. Multiple officers are now involved, the driver is still inside the vehicle, and officers are repeatedly ordering her to step out and place her hands behind her back. At the same time, she keeps saying she wants to exit on her own and appears overwhelmed by the number of officers around her. From a law enforcement perspective, officers are trying to gain control of an arrest that they believe is being resisted, while the driver is arguing that she should be allowed to cooperate on her own terms. That distinction matters because resistance can quickly turn a relatively simple arrest into a much more dangerous encounter. What would you have done if you were in that driver's position?
No. No. We're not doing this. No. No.
All right, you're about to get sprayed.
No. I don't.
Okay, so get.
I also don't want y'all
You have to get out of the
harassing
car.
Let
me.
go. You are
Yeah.
under arrest.
For what?
Step
Drive with
out
a
of the
suspended
vehicle
license.
now.
Come on.
Step
I'm
out
trying to
of
do
the
this.
vehicle
I'm trying
now.
to do this calmly. You're being very difficult.
Step out of the vehicle now.
Come on.
Step out
It
of the
don't take
vehicle
three,
now.
y'all.
Okay.
It's three of them.
Are you gonna step out?
Yeah, but
Stop
you can
resisting.
relax.
Get out.
I can get out on my
Stop
own.
resisting. Get
I
out.
can get out on my
Stop.
own.
Well, you're not. So get out
Well,
now.
Just back up and give me a second.
Let's go
I
now.
want to make it up.
Get out of the car.
I'll get out on my own.
You have to get
I
out.
can get out.
Step out now. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your
Making
back.
this
You're
difficult.
under
He's
arrest.
making it difficult.
Put your hands behind your back.
They're arresting me, guys.
I'm trying. I can't hear her.
And it's three of them.
Oh my God. What is that? Oh, you all on this one?
Let's go.
Okay, can you go?
Come on.
Okay. Okay. We'll run up to this.
Does this make y'all feel good?
No,
No, it doesn't.
this is not what I wanted to be doing today.
Do you have like a specific problem
No,
with me?
I have a problem that you're in a stop sign, you're driving with a not valid license, and you're holding coffee and a phone in your hand while you're driving.
Who was
That's what I have
holding
a
the steering
problem.
wheel? That's a flat out
Nobody
lie.
was. I watched you. Sit down. Sit down.
I'll just sit right
Scoot
here.
back. No, get in the car. We're not playing this game. Get in the car. It's done. You're under arrest. Sit in the vehicle, please. Get in the vehicle. Sit down. Thank you.
Hello?
And that brings the incident to its conclusion. According to the transcript, the woman was ultimately charged with resisting without violence and driving with a suspended license, and she received a $164 ticket for the alleged stop sign violation. The biggest takeaway is how quickly a routine traffic stop can escalate when there are multiple alleged violations and a person refuses an officer's commands during an arrest. The officer's decisions, the driver's decisions, and the way both sides communicated all played a role in how this encounter unfolded. Ultimately, this footage is a reminder that staying calm and understanding what is happening can make a major difference during a police encounter. If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns.
She was charged with resisting without violence and driving with a suspended license. She was also issued a $164 ticket for running the stop sign.